हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ ऐसे माय फेवरेट टीचर। मैं आपके साथ ये ऐसे इंग्लिश में शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। अ टीचर इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन इन एवरी वंस लाइफ। There are 17 teachers in my school. Among them, my favorite teacher is Priya Chauhan. She is 30 years old, energetic lady. She is tall and beautiful. She is always smiling. She is an English teacher. She teaches us English subject. She is polite and friendly. She teaches us nicely. My friends also like her. She enters our classroom with a cheerful face. She wants us to pay full attention in our study. She teaches the lesson in a simple way. If I fail to understand, I repeatedly ask her. She becomes happy and tries her best to make us understand what the lesson means. She regularly checks our homework and she tells us to keep our books and copies clean. Every Friday, she revises our previous lessons. Sometimes she asks questions to us. Sometimes she surprises us. It makes us more easy. She never discriminates the weak students from the talented students. She always encourages the weak students. She also tells us jokes and stories. Hence, my favorite teacher is Priya Chauhan. She loves all students. I like her. I respect her. Some to the other students. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। Thanks for watching my video.